Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake yummy. First, always start with high-quality ingredients like fresh eggs and good butter. Precise measurements are crucial for the right texture and flavor balance. Avoid overmixing your batter. Mix just until combined to keep the cake tender. These steps are fundamental for a truly delicious cake every time you bake. For a truly yummy cake, focus on your core ingredients. Unsalted butter at room temperature creams beautifully, creating a light texture. Fresh, large eggs are essential for structure and richness, contributing to a moist crumb. Don't skimp on good vanilla extract. It elevates all the other flavors, making your cake taste exceptional. Proper mixing is key to a tender, delicious cake. Cream your butter and sugar together until they are light and fluffy, incorporating air. Add eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. When adding dry and wet ingredients, alternate them, beginning and ending with the dry. This technique prevents overmixing and develops a perfect crumb. Baking and cooling correctly are the final steps to a yummy cake. Ensure your oven is preheated to the exact temperature for even baking. Resist the urge to open the oven door too early, especially during the first 2/3 of baking time. Always cool your cakes completely on a wire rack before applying any frosting. This prevents melting and ensures a beautiful finish.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.